When choosing aluminum doors and windows, there are several key factors that need special attention, and the thickness of aluminum directly affects the strength and durability of doors and windows. In general, the thickness of aluminum alloy doors and windows should be between 1.4 毫米 and 2.0 毫米. Aluminum waist to thin thickness is easy to deform and fracture, while too thick may cause costs to rise. So it is necessary to choose according to actual demand. Oxidation treatment is one of the most important protection processes for aluminum. A good oxide layer can not only improve the corrosion resistance of aluminum, but also enhance its surface hardness. When consumers choose, they can ask the manufacturer about the thickness of the oxide layer and the treatment process. And the oxide layer of high-quality aluminum should be above 10 microns. The processing technology of aluminum directly affects the performance and appearance of doors and windows. High-quality aluminum is usually extruded to form a uniform cross-section, rather than using casting or electric welding. The strength of extruded aluminum is higher, the surface is smoother, and it can effectively resist deformation and corrosion.